मैम यहाँ मैम ये सही है प्लीज।
नीचे कर लीजिए, चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा, चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा। फ्रीडा, सबसे पहले इस ग्लोबल इनिशिएटिव के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो गूगल ने और ग्लोबल सिटीजन
India. Very happy that Global Citizen sent. Okay. Acha, यहाँ पर? This way? Okay. Okay. Very happy that Global Citizen India has finally happened. It's been a dream for almost like 2 years now, since I first met Hugh Evans of Global Citizen, the international team. So I'm really glad that it's finally happening. I think the main purpose is to make sure that the people of India are aware of what we are up against in terms of the obstacles and how we can actually overcome it. It's great for corporate India to come in and actually finally show a commitment, but this time your commitment is accountable because you're making this announcement in front of 80,000 people at the concert, but then we're also going live on television, so that way everybody across the nation will actually see your commitment and will hold you accountable. So that's really, really good. So I think it's really important for things like this to actually happen on scale.
क्या चेंजेस देखती हैं आप जब अपने आप को देखती हैं कि पहले की जो फीमेल्स हुआ करती थी, लेडीज हुआ करती थी, और आज की जो है
बहुत चेंजेस आए हैं, बहुत चेंजेस आए हैं. Just look at corporate India itself. That itself has changed the whole face of how women are now in the positions of CEO, COO, MDs, and I think that has changed in a big way. लेकिन बहुत सारी changes अभी होने को हैं क्योंकि there is a lot on the ground level, at the grassroots level, that still have to be focused on and pushed forward. Education is key. जब तक हर लड़की इस देश में स्कूल नहीं जाएंगे, there will be no change, you know. So I feel like you have to make sure that every little girl from the age of 3 actually, or 3 or 4, whatever it is that is the primary school, ends up being in school and getting a quality education. एक चीज़ तो है तो education मिलना ही है, दूसरी चीज़ जो है वो quality education है. Quality education के बिना, you know, you'll get an education but it won't give you what do you say, you know, टेबल के जो पैर है जब weak हो जाते हैं ना, वैसे नहीं करवाना है. You have to give them strong foundation, strong feet in order to take their dreams forward.
आपने पर्सनली कोई
one second, let her ask you asked one question, 1 second. कितनी डिफिकल्टीज हुई पूरे इनिशिएटिव जब आपने लिया, और अब तक कितना आपने पाया कि बहुत कामयाब रहा, कितना आप अपने आप को कितना
जो कॉर्पोरेट लेवल या फाइनेंसिंग या फंडिंग लेवल की डिफ़िकल्टीज़ है वो इसके बारे में मुझे मत पूछिए प्लीज़, क्योंकि मैं ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व नहीं थी उसमें. लेकिन डिफ़िकल्टीज़ बिल्कुल रहे हैं क्योंकि you know we are doing this for the first time on such a big scale in India. You know, it's not easy having Coldplay, Jay-Z, Demi Lovato, A.R. Rahman, all these Bollywood actors, Mr. Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan, all on one stage. So you can imagine security level has also had to be upped, you know. So there's little the cogs in the wheel that actually make the wheel move has been a process, but a very happy one, you know, just to see it actually happen after dreaming it 2 years ago. It's actually
everyone is told everyone is told कि Priyanka Chopra is the first Indian Hollywood superstar. Are you believing that?
No.
Not Frida, you believe that?
Let's go.
Frida, you have preferred to work in international projects. So what do you think? I mean, working in a Hindi film project is.
Hello. No, not
Okay,
connected.
फ्रीडा, आपने कितना फीमेल्स को जिस तरह से आप बता रही हो कि एजुकेट करना बहुत जरूरी है, आपने कभी कोई एफर्ट लिया है उसके बारे में?
Absolutely. In fact, उसके benefits भी देखे हैं हमने. You know, I think sometimes they say, you know, charity starts at home, and I hate the word charity. ये word charity मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि any time you use the word charity, आप सोचते कि आप you're higher than the other. I think it's responsibility, which is a much better word than charity. क्या? Oh, okay. I'm confused. So I think it's when you say it starts at home, I have my own house help who's been with me for many, many years, and I see her daughter is actually now an editor for Marathi films, and the only way she would get there is if she had the basic education, you know, in filmmaking. Her mother sent her to school. लेकिन उसको एक स्टेप आगे जाने के लिए you need educational fees in order to send her to a film school, and my family supported her, and she's now an editor for Marathi films, and that makes me very happy. You know, she wants to do something that is different, and kudos to her mother to let her do something like that. आप वैसे भी आपको पता है कि film industry it's fickle. When you're going to get your next paycheck, even you don't know, right? So it's important for mother.
Last question. एक सेकंड यार, जिस तरह से सरकार ने फैसला लिया 500 और 1000 के नोट्स को डीमोनेटाइज करने का, क्या कहेंगी आप? कुछ पर्सनली आपने इफेक्ट
बॉलीवुड प्रोजेक्ट की कुछ तैयारी कर रही हैं, काफी लोग आपका वेट कर रहे हैं.
Sorry.
हिंदी मूवीज के लिए कोई शाहरुख सलमान या किसी
Okay, let's just, you know, now that I have all these cameras and mics in my face, let me just try to put an end to this. I don't think there's ever an end to this, right? Okay. मुझे हिंदी films में काम, huh? Oh God. She asked me the question, so I'm looking at her obviously. Okay, I have no problems working in Hindi language films. In fact, I have worked in Hindi language films to the extent that I've done a half Marwadi film as well, and I couldn't even speak Marwadi. But for Krishna, I had to learn how to speak Marwadi. Dhyan Rakjo. You know, I had to learn all these things. But the thing is, it's not about who is in the film. It's the story for me. So I actually have a fantastic film coming out next year by first-time filmmaker Tabriz Noorani, who is Indian passport, Indian. Okay, he was the one of the producers of Slumdog Millionaire, and he's done this fantastic film called Love Sonia, and Anupam Kherji is in it, Adil Hussain is in it, this fantastic Mrinal Thakur, this this young television actress is in it. So in my opinion, I am doing Hindi language films, और मैं हिंदी में बात करती हूँ, and I play a fantastic dancer. I won't tell you more.
आपने मेरे सवालों का जवाब नहीं दिया।
वुमन के साथ इंटरैक्ट करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
वुमन के साथ इंटरैक्ट,
यहाँ पर जो आप इंटरैक्ट कर रही थी उनके साथ कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा यहाँ आने का?
Oh no, I was on a panel with another woman, so I did not really interact.
No, so madam,
I'm interacting with women, na? They're fantastic.
और like personally कुछ इफेक्ट हुआ है क्या आपको जिस तरह से?
Sorry.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.